Love is a temporary madness. It erupts like volcanoes, and then it subsides. And when it subsides, you have to make a decision. You have to work out whether your roots have so entwined together that it is inconceivable that you should ever part. Because this is what love is. Love is not breathlessness. It is not excitement. That is just being in love. Those that truly love have roots that grow towards each other underground. And when all the pretty blossoms have fallen from their branches, they find that they are one tree and not two.
Nog één keer jullie aandacht en een luid applaus voor bruidspaar George en Katja George.
I now pronounce you husband and wife. You may kiss the bride.